Close, close, close. Oh, no, no, no.
Oh no.
Let's take again.
Hey everybody, David here. I'm here with Pete,
Hi guys.
also known as
I can fly drone from Brazil.
from Brazil.
Yes.
We call him Brazilian Pete here.
That's me. I'm flying today with a Hub King Paramotor, and also I'm using 5,000 milliamp 3C, 3S battery, and usually I can have 40 minutes.
So I brought out my Paramotor and he helped me launch it, and about a week or two later I come out and he has this thing.
No, he is guilty guy for that.
Touch and go.
I want it forever. I know I'm the jet guy, but
Yeah.
come on.
Oh,
That
this
is
is
so
awesome.
fun.
I'm gonna fly my Stingray.
Yeah, go ahead.
Do you think I can go as slow as your ultralight here?
I think so. I
With the
believe.
Stingray?
Yeah, I believe. I believe.
All right. We're gonna find out.
Okay, okay. Let's see.
11.3 volts, 19 minutes. 11.2 volts. 10.
All right, Pete.
22 minutes. 11.1 volts.
Can you believe the Stingray's flying that slow?
23.
Yeah, you can go well.
You get a little bit of a, like the wobble, but the high alpha is just crazy.
11.2 volts.
I'm staying below the prop wash of the fan. Did get in the fan there. One of the things I really like about flying the Stingray is that it can chase and maneuver and follow even at slow speeds.
10.8 volts. 6 minutes. 11.2 volts. 11.1 volts. 11.1 volts. 25 minutes. RF signal critical. 20 meters.
Woo!
11.1 volts. 90 meters. 5 minutes. 17.8 meters. 15.7 meters. 10.9 volts. 13.8 meters.
I will cross over here with us.
Okay.
I will do one turn here, and I will get towards us.
Minus 0.5 meters. 10.9 volts. Minus 0.6 meters. 10.9 volts. Minus 2.2 meters. minus 0. Minus 6.1 meters. 30 seconds. Stingray minus.
Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Get out there and fly and have fun. If you're still watching, please consider liking and subscribing and follow along for more adventures like this. Thanks.